I'm going to get asked time and time again, how do we make our own custom handling? I've shown you can throw your own type of data. You can throw an integer, a QString, your own kind of class. You can throw a cat class if you wanted to. But I constantly get asked time and time again, how do we make our own data type that uses the standard library? So I'm just going to demonstrate that here. We've got the same code we've been working with in this entire section. I've got a try block, a catch block, and we're just catching the standard exception here. So we're going to take this and we're going to inherit it and we're going to do something with it. Just want to show you that we can do some pretty crazy things. I'm going to say struct. There's a billion different ways of doing this, but we're just going to do it this way just to show you that we can do it. Now we're going to say we want to inherit the public aspects of, you guessed it, exception. From here, we need to do a couple things. We need to say const char pointer description. And this is just me adding it in. And then we can, of course, say, grab this and this. And let's say what. So this is our what function. And what is going to const throw. And this gets kind of nuts. And you may be looking at this code going, wait, what? I'm going to just admit it. I Googled this. I don't have this memorized. I rarely use this. I'm just doing this because somebody out there is going to say, how do I do that? And this is what I found on Google. I don't personally use this method. Usually I'll make my own cute class and I will throw that class, or I'll just throw a QString or whatever I need to work with. But you can throw virtually anything, as we're demonstrating here. So really what we're doing is we're making a structure, we're inheriting the standard exception, and we're going to const char pointer description, and then we have a function called what, which is going to const throw, and that is going to return a const char pointer, in this case, my issue. Why would you want to do this? Some people just want the complexity in life, but some people want the customization. So we can grab this, we can go here, and now we've got a little bit of surgery to do. We've created basically our own structure, our own little data type here. Really what we've done. And we have some extra functionality we can bake in there. We have that nice little description. So we could do something like this. We could go in here and say, if value equals 1, then, and let's go ahead and say my issue E, and we're going to go ahead and set that description to user did not read the manual. Just for the sake of argument, say we had some manual out there that said do not enter 1. And that way when the customer does what we told them not to in the manual, and it issues this weird error message, we can just go, oh yeah, that's what it means right here. So let's go ahead and demonstrate this. And you'd actually be surprised in software land how much you see things like that, like user's an idiot or user didn't read the manual. So I'm gonna say 3, 2, and boom, my issue, user did not read the manual. Now I'm going to just say it. There really is no de facto way. This really gets into coding standards and convention. Everyone's going to handle this a little bit differently. Some people are going to make their own class. Some people are going to throw raw numbers or strings or something of that nature. Really do what works for you.